How to Set Deal Alerts on Amazon 2026 Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set deal alerts on Amazon so you never miss discounts or price drops. Let's get started. First, open the Amazon app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Method 1. Use Watch This Deal feature. Go to the Deals section. Browse for products you're interested in. When you find a deal, tap on Watch This Deal. Amazon will notify you when the deal is about to go live. Method 2. Add items to your wish list. Search for the product you want. Tap on Add to List or Wish List. Amazon may notify you when the price drops or when there's a special offer. Method 3. Enable notifications. Go to the app settings, tap on Notifications, and turn on Deal Alerts, Recommendations, Price Drop Alerts. This ensures you get real-time updates. Method 4. Follow brands or categories. Search for your favorite brands or categories. Follow them to receive updates on new deals and discounts. Bonus tip, check the Today's Deals section daily for limited time offers. And that's it. Now you know how to set deal alerts on Amazon and never miss a discount again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.